Hello, welcome to Atlabs. I am Mohini and I'll show you how you can add motion to any of your images super quick and super easy. So, once you have logged in or signed up into the Atlabs account, this dashboard will appear on your screen. In the hero section, you'll find this start from scratch workflow. Just select that, choose the language that you want for your story, and just select the visual style and click on create story. All right, our story is here. Let's just name it to add motion quickly, and you can just add multiple scenes, change the aspect ratio easily. Now let's just click on one of the scenes and let's upload an image. So you have to stay in the visual section, just select this upload option. You can just upload any of your images. All right, I've uploaded both the images. Now let's just move on to motion. So in the left panel, you will find this motion option available here. So you have to select one of the models that are available on Atlabs. Let's just go with Google Veo 3.1 Fast. You have to make sure that there's a start frame here. The end frame is optional. Now just write a prompt. Either you can write a prompt or you can take help of this magic prompt. So let's say I just want to write slowly zoom in, and meanwhile you can select the duration of your scene, the resolution, and whether you want the system to automatically generate an audio for this visual. So I'll switch it on and just click on generate. Now here let's try a magic prompt. So this is our image. Just select the magic prompt option. Let's select 6 seconds meanwhile and this resolution, and let's just switch on the audio option. Now this is our magic prompt. Just select on generate video. That's all. That is all you need to do to generate motion, and we'll see how the output looks like. All right, our motions are ready. Let's just quickly have a look at them. So realistic, right? Let's look at the other one. And this was one more which I tried in a different style. This used the magic prompt, and this is the output. That's it. And that is how easy it is to add motion on Atlabs. You have to just upload an image and use magic prompt or just direct what you actually expect from the visual. And that's it. And now you can just like export this directly. You can export the video and use it. I hope this was a helpful tutorial for you. Keep generating, keep exploring. I'll see you in the next tutorial. Thank you and take care.